welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the 3D stocking tutorial that's been super viral right now. So on the left you'll see all the products you need to create this nail, so let's get into it. So to start off, I'm taking some 3D molding gel and I'm just starting to mold this on the nail in the shape of a stocking that I want it. So I kind of cut it off at the midsection there, or a bit above middle, and I'm just pulling it down with my silicone tool. Don't touch it with your fingers. I do it because I'm a risk taker, but you shouldn't be like that. Definitely don't touch it with your bare fingers or your bare hands or anything like that, because it could cause contact dermatitis or something like this, or adverse reaction, so you just don't want that. So I suggest using gloves or any other tool that you have. So I'm pulling it down. At the bottom there I did kind of bring it out a bit to the right and rounded it out a bit. Once that's finished, I cured it to keep the shape, and then I did go in with some more 3D gel to fill in some spots that weren't exactly even. I didn't want to smooth this out too much because in my mind it's like a fabric stocking, right? So I wanted it to have some texture, but if you wanted it to be smoother, you could go ahead in between this step and polishing to smooth everything out. I did go in with this green color. I went in with 2 coats of this. I fully covered everything, and then I'm going in with a matte top coat and making sure that I fully cover everything with this matte top coat. Once that's finished, I am curing it for 60 seconds, and then I'm going in with the same green polish and I'm drawing 2 lines on either side of the stocking, and then on the left side I'm drawing a little angled down lines all the way down. Well, I'm going to do this as well on the right side, and then in the middle I'm drawing 11s basically all the way down, and then I'm connecting the left line with the right line in the following row. Once you're finished with that, do not cure it. You want to take a clear acrylic powder and pour it on as much as you can. Get as much as you can on there, because the more you put, the more embossed or raised it's going to look. Cure for 60 seconds, dust off all the excess, and then I am going in with some more molding gel. Curing it as it is, I put it around the top just like that, so it's like the top of the stocking. I cured it to keep the shape. Then I'm going in with some top coat and I'm not curing it, and I'm making sure to cover everything. Try not to get it on your sweater pattern. And while that's still wet, I'm taking some white flocking powder and I'm pouring that all across the white part up at the top in little nooks and crannies. We want it to look like a fuzzy stocking on the top, right? So we're just making sure you fill it as much as you can. Same thing with the clear acrylic powder. Get as much on there as you can, and then tap off the excess, finalize with a cure, dust off all the excess, and boom, there you have it. You have this beautiful 3D stocking nail tutorial. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!